Civil Service Exam Math Reviewer number 47 and 48. Tungkol pa rin tayo sa percentage problem. So, i-post nyo muna, try nyo sagutan bago panoodin ang solution ko. Okay, so let's start with number 47. Of the 75 passengers in a bus bound for Baclaran, 32% got off at Cubao, and of the remaining passengers, two-thirds got off at Shaw Boulevard. Considering that no other passengers were picked up along the way, how many passengers were left in the bus? Okay, so isa-isahin lang natin ito. So mag-start tayo sa 75 passengers. So sa 75 passengers, yan, isubtract lang natin ng dalawang beses, no? Yung bumaba. 32% got off at Cubao. So kunin natin yung original, ito 75%, no? Ito yung 75 passengers pala. So 32%, kunin natin ang 32% ng 75 times 32%. So ang 32%, pwede tayo ditong mag-decimal, pwedeng mag-fraction, pwedeng mag-chop-chop method. So depende na sa atin kung ano ang gusto nating gamitin. So ang gagamitin ko na lang dito ay, pwede ito reversible kasi ang percent no? So yung 75 of 32%, pwede natin itong baligtarin. Pwede siyang gawing 32 times 75%. Same lang yan, no? 'Di ba mas madaling kuhanin yung 32 times 75% kasi ang 75% ay 3/4 lang yan. Ayan, mas madali. So gawin natin 3/4 na lang yan. So we have 32 times 75% is 75 over 100. Tapos pag nilowest term natin yan, magiging na lang yan 3/4. So magkakaroon tayo ng 32 times 3/4. And then i-divide na natin ito. 32 divided by 8 equal na siya. Divided by 4 is 8. Tapos 8 times 3 equals na lang ito sa 24. Okay, so yun yung madaling technique dito, pinagbaligtad natin kasi yung 75% eksakto ang 3/4. Pag hindi niyo naman pinagbaligtad, pwede mag-decimal tayo or pwede rin another solution, chop-chop method. Pero parang hindi maganda ang chop-chop method sa 32% of 75 kasi yung 75 hindi zero yung dulo. So maganda gamitin yung chop-chop kapag zero yung dulo. So another solution pwede natin gawin decimal. So pag decimal ang solution natin ay 75 times 32% in decimal, that is 0.32. So ito yung another solution. Tingnan natin kung 24 din ang lalabas. 2 times 5, we have 10 carry 1. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1, we have 15. Then 3 times 5, that is equal to 15 carry 1. 3 times 7 is 21 plus 1, we have 22. Then i-add na natin. Bring down 0. 5 plus 5 is 10 carry 1. 1, 1, 2, that is 4. Then bring down 2. 2 decimal places, 1, 2. So dapat meron tayong 1, 2. Ayun, eksakto pa rin. 24.00 or simply 24. Okay, so therefore, original natin 75%, bumaba yung 24, so subtract tayo ng 24. So magiging siyang 5 minus 4 is 1, 7 minus 2 is 5. So after bumaba ng 24 sa Cubao, got off at Cubao, may natira na lang 51. So ngayon yung 51, babawasan naman natin ito. So ilan yung bumaba? 51 yung natitira, and of the remaining passengers, two-thirds got off at Shaw Boulevard. O kuhanin natin yung two-thirds ng 51. 51 times two-thirds, so unahin natin ang division. 51 divided by 3 muna. 51 divided by 3 is 17. And then 17 times 2, that is equal to 34. So ngayon yung 34, ito yung bumaba sa Shaw Boulevard. Subtract natin dito. So 51 minus 34. So magiging sagot natin, borrow 1 tayo, magiging 11. Ito magiging 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 11 minus 4 is 7. So may natitira pang 17. Letter A ang tamang sagot. So ang hinahanap, how many passengers were left in the bus? May natira pa sa bus na 17 passengers. Okay, so next, number 48. So burahin na muna natin. Number 48, if 20 teachers out of a faculty of 80 are males, what percent of the original faculty are females? Okay, so kunin lang natin yung percent natin. If 20 teachers daw out of 80, faculty of 80 are males. So yung 20, ito daw ay males. Okay? Tapos, ang total daw ay, if 20 teachers out of a faculty of 80, ang total ay 80. So, 80, ito yung total. So, ang hinahanap natin, what percent of the original faculty are females? So, ilan yung females natin? Madali nang kuhanin kung ilan yung females, no? 20 males, ang total ay 80. So, therefore, ang number of females natin magiging 60. Dahil 20 plus 60 ay equal sa 80. So, para makuha yung what percent of the original faculty are females, ang gawin lang natin ay females over total. So, females over total, we have 60 over 80. Then, convert na natin sa percent yan. Pag kinonvert sa percent, gawin nating 100 itong denominator natin or pwede i-lowest term muna natin ito. 60 divided by 80, pwede natin itong i-divide pareha sa 20. Pag ni-lowest term natin, divide pareha sa 20, so magiging na siyang 60 divided by 20, that is equal to 1. 80 divided by 20, that is equal to 4. So therefore, 60 divided by 20, bakit 1? 60 divided by 20 is 3. Okay? So, tapos 80 divided by 20, we have 4. So therefore, 3/4 in percentage, that is 75%. Paano nakuha yung 75% na 3/4? Kasi may pagkakataon tayo yung denominator gawin nating 100. Kasi 'di ba percent means over 100. So i-multiply na lang natin both by 25. Pag minultiply pare sa 25, 3 times 25 is 75, 4 times 25 is 100. So therefore 75 over 100 or that is 75%. Pag hindi nyo nakuha ito, na nalito kayo dito, i-divide nyo na lang 3 divided by 4, magiging decimal. Dagdag tayo ng dalawang 0. Itapat ang decimal dito. 3 divided by 4, hindi pwede, no? So 0. 30 divided by 4 is 7. 7 times 4, 28. Subtract, we have 2. Bring down 0. 20 divided by 4 is 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Subtract, we have 0. Therefore, in decimal, 0.75, pag kinonvert sa percent yan, magiging siyang 75%. So therefore, the correct answer is letter A. Follow for more. Sa mga naghahanap po ng murang civil service exam review, ito po yung offer ko sa inyo. 99 pesos lang po, all in na po ito. Meron tayong 500 slots na available. Ito po yung mga inclusion niya. 10 days math and logic tutorial via Zoom. Online po ito ha. So ang schedule na itong 10 days, ito po. Ayan, math and logic. 7 to 9 p.m. po lahat ito, MWF po ito. So July 6, integers, PEMDAS, GCF, and LCM. July 8, fractions and decimals. July 10, law of exponents and radicals and unit conversion. July 13, number series and number analogy. July 15, basic algebra. July 17, percentage, ratio, and proportion. July 20, word problems. July 22, data interpretation. July 24, logical reasoning. And July 27, abstract reasoning. So, madadaanan po natin lahat ng mga math and logic. Meron din tayong Google Forms reviewer sa ibang subjects kagaya ng verbal ability, analytical ability, general info. Marami rin tayong mga 150 item na mock test. Then may only replay din po tayo ng past session. Ito pong mga Zoom meetings natin, recorded po yan sa exclusive na FB group natin. So ano pong inaantay nyo, mag-message lang po kayo sa akin dito sa aking FB RJ Enseñado.